Welcome to Rebel with William O'Neill India. My name is Rajshekar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst, part of Market Smith India team. Before we go ahead into this podcast, the disclaimer is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BISL and certification from NISL in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Here is a Nifty's daily chart taken from our website. It is very important to understand Nifty's price volume action to gauge the market, how it is placed at the current moment, and also have a view on the market going forward. As you can see, Nifty has breached its 200 DMA recently, and from there it has been staying below that level and it is unable to reclaim the 200 DMA. For the investors, Nifty reaching 200 DMA is not a good sign. It has to reclaim the 200 DMA. The volume has also stayed lower. That means that there is not much activity from the institutions. Not much volume have not seen on the index level. So only retail participation has been there in the last 3 to 4 trading sessions. From the market status perspective, we are in rally attempt, and if the previous low is breached, we will change the market status to downtrend. On the upside, we are looking for a follow-through session that is Nifty advancing more than 1.5% or more on volume higher than the previous session. Going by the current scenario and global dynamics, which is less likely to happen in the upcoming sessions, we might see Nifty consolidating around 200 DMA going forward. Into the major news section, former Prime Minister of India, Dr. Manmohan Singh, has expired today, and he has played a pivotal role during 1991 economic crisis, and he was then Finance Minister of India, and he has taken very extensive measures to take out India's distress and putting India back to the growth trajectory. Keeping political agenda aside, he has been a very good finance minister who has come up with very good measures and uh, uh, and the country has been declared as a 7-day mourning in the respect of Dr. Manmohan Singh. Apart from that, we are looking at companies such as Powermech, which has received an orders worth 186 crores from Jaiprakash Power Ventures. Gensol Engineering has also received an order worth of nearly 900 crores of rupees for solar projects from NTPC. Coming to the yesterday's institutional activity, talking about them, FIS have been net sellers again. They have sold more than 2,300 crores of Indian equities, whereas domestic institutional investors have given very good support for the markets. They have bought more than 3,300 crores of Indian equities. Overnight, US market closed in the flat, you could say. Dow Jones and S&P Nasdaq have closed very close to the very flat. Asian markets are trading mixed. Shanghai and Nikkei are trading in the positive territory, even though the magnitude has been on the lower side. But Kospi is trading with a decline of more than 1.4%. GIFT Nifty is indicating a muted opening, but as mentioned, Nifty has to reclaim its 200 DMA and above average volumes to find the new momentum to take it forward. As long as it stays near 200 DMA, we might see consolidation around that level. For the chart of the day, we picked Aster DM Healthcare. The stock has been a very good on the multiple factors. EPS has been the standout at 93. Price strength has been at 975 and it has been improving as well. Currently, it is trading in a stage 3 cup with a cup base pattern. And the volumes have dried up during this consolidation, and it is the volumes are picking up as the stock moving closer to the pivot. Other ratings such as buyer demand, group rank have also been very good. Number of funds section has also seen improvement in the last quarter. Overall, it's a very good stock given the market dynamics. It has been an outperformer and a leader in the current market where majority of the stocks are moving on the downside. We're not advising for a fresh entry, but this stock is a very good stock at the current moment. And when the market improves, definitely these kind of stocks will be outperformers going forward. Thank you for joining today's pre-bill. Have a good trading session.